kind of are like half black and half white, like Scarface. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
So, I'd like to show you my train horn that I bought from Horn Blasters. It's a tri-horn that I have the air tank mounted in the back. It's automatic turn on at 150 psi. It's mounted back there. Tank, obviously, purge valve with the line running all the way down by the driver's side underneath the panel with the actual pump grounded to over where the back seats clip. Power running to the cigarette lighter, so when the car turns on, it also turns on. And I'll get on the other side if you want to film right over there. I want to show them the button. And the button that they gave me was a toggle, and I didn't like it because it was just ugly. So I got this from O'Reilly's or AutoZone, wherever. And it's just a simple flip switch. So it's blue. Well, here's a line running up through the firewall over on the driver's side, and then the actual horns. So I have them. Since they gave me the red ones, I put the heat shield, I guess, around it. So, all right, you want to stay right here? I'm gonna honk it.
Yeah.
You cool with that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That would suck if that was a cop, dude. Huh?
Still filming?
Yep.
So, I hope you like it. Oh, and I got hood struts too. So.
That guy looked at us funny. I think you should do it again.
What?
Honk it one more time.
Honk it?
Yeah, because we got it, but that scared me because I didn't know if it was a cop, so.
Yeah, I saw those words.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.